Dr. Kelly Baete.
And I'm Dr. James Doyle.
And we are the owners of
Baete
Veterinary Clinic.
One.
I'm Dr. Kelly Baete, and I am a veterinarian. I grew up on a small farm in Indiana and knew that I wanted to be a veterinarian from a pretty early age. We had horses, dogs, cats, and even the occasional sheep or pig through 4-H projects. So I was definitely an animal lover from an early age. After I graduated from high school, I went to Wesleyan College in Georgia, where I majored in biology, and then I went on to Purdue University School of Veterinary Medicine, where I got my veterinary degree. Part of what I like to do as a veterinarian has to do with internal medicine, which is studying all of the diseases that can affect the inside of the body. Some of the tools and equipment that we use to determine what is wrong with a pet is something like ultrasound, which we have an ultrasound probe here and ultrasound machine. We also may use x-rays, and this is an x-ray machine. So I like using these things to help figure out what is wrong with the pet. I also like working with small exotic animals, which mainly include rabbits and guinea pigs, ferrets, but also we'll sometimes see some wildlife like ducks and deer and some birds and reptiles.
Hello, my name is Dr. James Doyle, and I'm a veterinarian. I knew I wanted to become a veterinarian when I was in high school, and I had worked at a pet store. And I'd been around dogs and cats all my life, and so I knew at that time that that was the career that I wanted to follow. I went to college at the University of Rochester, and after I graduated there, I attended the Purdue University School of Veterinary Medicine and graduated and became a veterinarian in 2004. So as a veterinarian, we get to practice all areas of medicine, and each of us kind of develop our own special interests. My special interest has become surgery. I perform all sorts of soft tissue and orthopedic surgeries using some of the equipment that we have laid out here. And you'd be surprised at just how many types of procedures we do on dogs and cats, very similar to people. So in order to become a veterinarian, it requires at least 8 years of schooling after you graduate high school. Some of the subjects you're going to want to focus on are, of course, sciences, but math as well. And you also find that it becomes important to be good at English when you have to speak with clients or write papers in school. So all these things are subjects that you're going to want to focus on in order to try to get into veterinary school. Also, what we found as owners of the business is that you're also going to need to learn about business and finance as well as management, which is something that we had to kind of learn on the fly. One.
So there are a lot of other careers that are available in the field of veterinary medicine besides just being a veterinarian. We have customer service representatives that help greet the customer, schedule appointments, and collect payment. We have veterinary nurses and assistants that help the doctor by collecting blood, running laboratory samples, filling prescriptions, and many, many other things. And then we also have, as part of our facility here, groomers, bathers, and pet care attendants that help take care of the animals while they're here for boarding, daycare, and spa services. So if you enjoy working with animals,
And you don't mind working hard in school,
then veterinary medicine might be the career for you.
good luck.